Hi everybody, how was my last tutorial part about the similar words for persons in both the English and the German languages? Do write your reviews in the comment section. Now in this tutorial part, I will show you the similar words for things in both English and German languages. So let's have a look. Similar things is ähnliche Dinge. Ähnlich, similar. And Dinge is in plural form to mean things. And if you're referring to one thing, then it is das Ding. In plural, it is die Dinge. So let's have a look at some things. Der Ball. Now the ball in English is written the same way in German but pronounced Ball. So the A changes to A and the word gets an E at the end, and therefore in plural it becomes die Bälle. Then we have the film. Now the film in English is written the same way in German but also pronounced in the same way. Der Film. But plural will have the word getting an E at the end. Die Filme. Then we have the hammer. It is written the same way as in English but pronounced der Hammer, singular, and in plural there are two possibilities, so whichever you can remember easily you can use in the written and the spoken language. Both of these possibilities will be right. So this word either gets an S at the end and it becomes die Hammers, or the A of this word changes to A with the umlaut, and the word will then become die Hammer. So either the word gets an S at the end in plural, or this word has the A alphabet changing to A in plural. D, flip-flops. Now this word exists in English to mean what you see in this picture here. And it has been taken from English and used as it is in German. So not only is it written as in English, but also pronounced as in English. Then we have the flower rose. Die Rose, plural die Rosen. So the word gets an N at the end. Then the vase in which you put the roses or other flowers, for example, this is written as in English, but in German it is pronounced differently. But still note that the V alphabet does not have the f sound for this word but the v sound. Die Vase, singular, die Vasen, plural. Then we have the ring. Der Ring, singular, plural, die Ringe. So written the same way as in English but pronounced differently in German. Then we have the radio. Das Radio, singular, die Radios, plural. And last of all, we have the video, which I am showing you currently. This word is written as in English and interestingly pronounced also just like in English. Das Video, plural, die Videos. Now some other things I have already covered in my previous tutorials, and any things that I have not covered will be covered in the upcoming tutorials. And you will see many similarities between both the English and the German languages. So that was all for today. Any questions related to this entire tutorial, you can ask in the comment section. Please like my videos and continue watching the tutorials. Also, do not forget to subscribe to German tutorials for beginners and share my channel's name and link with all of your friends. Thank you.